Can this plan work, Mr. Starmer?
Let me begin by welcoming you all to Downing Street. Thank you very much. Vladimir, very good to see you here on nearly the 4th anniversary of this awful conflict, at a critical stage now in the push for peace. But we will talk this afternoon about the plan in some detail, but the principles remain the principles that we've been raised on for a very, very long time, which is that we stand with Ukraine, and if there's to be a ceasefire, it needs to be a just and lasting ceasefire.
I think that is very important now to organize such to meet and discuss very sensitive issues regarding to peace talks, what we had in the United States and between us, and a lot of what we have to discuss, to speak about things which are very important for today. I think unity between Europe and Ukraine, and also unity between Europe, Ukraine, and the United States. There are some things which we can't manage without Americans, things which we can't manage without Europe, and that's why we need to make some important decisions.